Hello and welcome to another episode of Cook Cook Cook. Today we're going to make something that is a very common dish in all of our kitchens, and it is necessary that until the age of 18 or 20 all kids be given this every single day, and that is egg. So what we're going to be doing today is make a delicious egg cheese omelette. So let's see how that is done. Now let's quickly look at the ingredients required for our omelette. So we're going to be taking 2 eggs, a little bit of cheese, about a small block of cheese, and I have coriander and curry leaves. I've taken about 3 sticks of coriander and about a half of a curry leaf, and I have 2 green chilies and onion and tomato. Along with this, you would also require a little bit of turmeric, little bit of chili powder, and a pinch of cinnamon. Alright, so let's get into cooking this and we will see how it is done. And the first step to making the omelette is to beat the egg, just to make sure that it is perfectly blended and we do not have any difficulty to beat it once we include the other ingredients to it. So once you're done beating your egg, it's a good time to add in the masalas that you would want. First, you'll put in a little bit of salt. This is according to your taste, and then a little bit of turmeric. Then we will add in a pinch of our cinnamon powder and a little bit of pepper. Now give this mixture a good stir. Now we will add in our smaller ingredients, that is the chilies and coriander and curry leaf. My chilies, then the corianders and curry leaves, which I've cut into small bits. The smallest size that you can cut these into, the better. Now it is time for the onions. I've cut it into small pieces, the onions, and our tomatoes. This wouldn't require too much of your stirring. A gentle mix would be enough. So this is our omelette mix after all the ingredients have gone. Now it is time to cook this. I'm going to be using an induction stove and an induction compatible pan for this. So I'll just add in a little bit of oil. Oil is again basis your taste or liking, and I'm going to be adding our first layer of the omelette. So now let's close it and let it cook for some time. Alright, so our egg has been cooking for the last 1 minute. So let's flip it quickly. Alright, so we can see that it is well cooked. Okay, so now I will move this over to plate and we will start working on our second layer. We will repeat the same process for the second layer. A little bit of oil, give that a gentle shake, and we will pour in the second layer of the egg. We have our second omelette on the pan, so we will close it and let it cook for another minute. So our second omelette also has been cooking for more than a minute now. So let's flip it. Alright, perfect. Now is where we will be adding the cheese. Okay, I will lower the flame further and I will add in our cheese. My cheese kind of has hardened. Grated cheese is no more in a grated condition, so I will just pull it apart like this. And anyway, our objective is to melt it, so it is fine. Doesn't really matter. All of the cheese has gone in and it's starting to melt. So at this phase we will add the other omelette as well on top of this and let them cook for some time. The omelettes are already cooked, just that we want the cheese to melt a little and bind in between both the layers of the omelette. Okay, so I have let them be on the stove for about a minute or so at the least temperature, and this seems to have been done. So this is our egg cheese omelette. So let me take it out of the pan and show you how it looks. Here is our egg cheese omelette. This can be served with a little bit of ketchup if you like the flavor of ketchup. Otherwise, it is an awesome meal in itself. Do give it a try and let us know what you feel about it. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day.